Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Succulents Box's weekly plant care. Today, we continue to dive into the fascinating world of succulents with the spotlight on a real gem, Sempervivum Calcareum, or as we casually call it, the Calcareous Houseleek. This incredibly resilient succulent forms rosettes of plump, juicy leaves. These leaves can be green or blue-green, and the tips are blushing red under direct sunlight. In late spring or early summer, you may find tiny, star-shaped flowers in pink or red. Before we start, I'll share one good news. Sempervivum Calcareum is one of the best pet-friendly houseplants. It is not toxic to humans or pets, so it's perfect for any home. This plant is the sunbather of the succulent world, thriving in anything from full-on sunshine to a bit of shade. It's all about finding that perfect window spot where they can soak in enough light. Too little light and they might stretch out like they're reaching for the sun, too much and they could get sunburned and develop reddish or brownish hues. So let's keep it just right to keep our plant happy and vibrant. In terms of watering, Sempervivum Calcareum is like the marathon runner of succulents. If it's in a pot indoors, just give it sparing sips. Only water when that soil's dry to the touch and let any extra water drain completely to avoid root rot. If you're in a drier zone, give this plant a little extra drink now and then. Sempervivum Calcareum likes its home to be sandy and well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral. You can use high-quality cactus soil mix, or mix your own soil using regular potting soil, sand or perlite, and a dash of pumice or lava rock. Now, when it comes to fertilizer, these guys aren't the heavy eaters of the plant world. A slow-release fertilizer once or twice a year during their growing season in spring and summer will keep them in good shape. Just a heads up, don't go overboard. Too much food might burn the roots. Temperature-wise, Sempervivum Calcareum is a tough guy. It can handle the cold. Outdoors, it's cool with temperatures dropping as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Indoors, it's thriving in temperatures between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. As for humidity, it's a low-maintenance buddy, thriving in dry air. But watch out, too much humidity, over 50 degrees, can lead to trouble. Fungal diseases and root rot might decide to crash the party. Sempervivum Calcareum doesn't mind whether it's chilling in a container or going straight into the ground. Just make sure the soil's well-draining and a bit airy. Pick a pot made of concrete, terracotta, or ceramic with a drainage hole to promote good root development. Repotting should be done once every 2 to 3 years or when it's feeling cramped. Gently switch it to a slightly bigger pot and you're good to go. No regular pruning is needed since they naturally rock that compact rosette look. But if you spot any dead or damaged leaves, you can use sterilized scissors or pruning shears and give them a little trim. For those flower stalks, feel free to snip them off. It keeps your plant healthy and keeps that rosette in top shape. This succulent can be propagated easily with offsets. Simply wait till these little offsets are around half the size of the parent plant before separating them. A clean knife or scissors does the trick. Pop them in their own pots or a garden spot with moistened soil. Keep them in a bright, airy space away from the harsh sunlight for the first few weeks. Keep that soil just moist, not soggy, and don't forget to acclimate your baby Sempervivum Calcareum before exposing them to direct sunlight. There you have it, a crash course in Sempervivum Calcareum care. Remember, a happy succulent is a thriving succulent. So, find that sweet spot of sunlight, water like a succulent pro, and give them some extra love when needed. If you've got questions or want to share your succulent journey, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.